Hey guys, welcome to Me Paintings. I'm Veronika and today's video will be a little bit different because I want to show you what I just received. I got these beautiful boxes with acrylic colors and I can't wait to open them. These are from Arteza and I've got 60 acrylic colors, premium acrylic colors in this box and 36 metallic acrylic colors in this box. I really can't wait to open this because this is like Christmas for me. It is like Christmas. So let's start opening my little box. Well, my big box. I couldn't wait to receive this. Arteza, they have got some very pretty art supplies. And look at this. Look at all these shades. Oh my god, let's start. I'm gonna show you what's inside. Some lovely shades of white, yellow, lemon yellow, mid yellow, deep yellow, yellow. Oh, this will be perfect for autumn paintings. Some gold, oxide yellow, Indian yellow. Oh, these are so cool, beautiful. Amazing autumn colors. Look at all these. Oh my god, this is blue. I can't even show you everything in here. Like blue. Oh, these are... look at these lovely shades. This will be perfect for my paintings. Magenta light, my favorite color. Also some... Oh, this is never ending. Look at all these shades of green. I'll be able to paint many amazing pictures, paintings. Another green. Oh, you can't even see. Also some raw umber, burnt umber. Oh, nice. And the last ones, some gray. That's nice. Look at these. Oh, this is like Christmas. Oh, I will have to have more time for painting. I'm gonna show you all the shades. These are great for me actually, because sometimes I paint something and I mix my own colors, but it takes me like 3-4 weeks to paint the whole painting, and when I come back I can't mix the right shade of green or blue, so this will be perfect for my purposes. And these are my 60 acrylic colors, and I'm also gonna show you the metallic colors, which is even more exciting for me. So here are my metallic colors, my little babies. I love metallic colors because it adds shine into your paintings. And these are actually 22 milliliters. So if you are doing acrylic pouring, these are like for just little pours, not big pours because they are not that huge. But if you are trying to make like small pours, like this one which I made recently, this galaxy pour with bubbles, that would be perfect for my pour because you can choose so many amazing shades. Look at these. This is pearl, hot pink, raspberry, magenta, strawberry, royal purple, and these are amazing because these are metallic. I can't wait to try these. Oh, look at that. Can you see how metallic they are? Oh, you can't see that, but I'm going to show you how metallic they look. So here are my these shades. Another lovely shade. I think this set will be my favorite. You know me, I love blue. Sky blue, turquoise blue, pearl sea green. Also some nice silver, pearl white, pearl canary, I don't know, pearl golden color. Oh, pistachios. Oh, I love pistachios. Pearl pistachio. Let's see how that looks inside. This is metallic. Oh, this will be beautiful. Beautiful sparkling color. I can't wait to try this. And the last one. Oh, that's nice. Beautiful shade. So these will be absolutely perfect for my paintings. And guys, if you'd like to order these Arteza acrylic colors, you can actually get 10% off if you use the link which I put down in the description. So you can take advantage of 10% of these colors, and if you all order through my links, I will get like a very teeny tiny bit of few pennies of it, but that will help me and you will get the 10% off. So I think it's a win-win situation for us. Now I'm gonna show you the metallic colors, some of them, so you can see how they look. So I chose these 4 colors to try. This one is Pearl Golden Hour. This one is Pistachio Green. This one is Pearl Turquoise, and this one is Pearl Amaranth Red. So let's try these. My golden color. Nice. Oh, that's a lovely consistency. I like how they feel. Now look at these. Oh, that's so cool. Look how shiny these are. Oh, I can't wait to try these for acrylic pouring. I especially love this one. And this one as well. And this one is also shiny, look. Can you see that? Well, I also painted this abstract painting with my Arteza colors. By the way, would you be interested in seeing a video tutorial of this painting? Please let me know in the comment below, because if you like it, I will edit the video for you. And here are all of my Arteza colors, and I can't wait to make a pour out of these. And as I said, if you'd like to order these, you can have 10% off if you all order through the link which I put down in the description of this video. So if you'd also like to have early Christmas, you're welcome to order these lovely colors. Well, thank you very much for watching. This one was a little bit different than my usual videos, but I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you and see you soon. Bye!